Hey guys, welcome back to Birmingham Freightliner Western Star, SelecTrucks of Alabama. We're in our first week of August here. Just want to let you know, please check out our website, SelecTrucksofAlabama.com, BirminghamFreightliner.com, and PeachStateTrucks.com. We have more used inventory now than we have ever had. We have just lowered pricing on several of our units, so please go check those out. Also, don't forget, this month will be the cornhole board giveaway, so come on down, get your name in the drawing, see if we can't get you in a new used truck. And I guess just real quick too, we're right in the heat of the summer, especially here in Alabama. A lot of times people forget, but it's hot out there. Your truck, make sure you're doing the proper maintenance items for your AC, your cooling system, proper air pressure in your tires. If you need anything checked out, please bring it to our service department. We'll definitely be able to check your AC system, do you a federal DOT inspection, check everything out, make sure while you're out there running on these hot highways that your truck is safe and ready to go. But please come down and see us today, and let's see if we can't get you a new used truck.